So if you like, you could start by introducing yourself.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Orminio Malasig. I'm 86 years old. I live in Long Beach, California. When I turned 84 years old, my hands were shaking. I could not even write my name. And I could not even prepare my coffee. My wife always do that in the morning for me. Then last week I was here. I told Dr. L. Corey about my problem. The nurse gave me an injection on my forehead on the side of my left, the neck, and Dr. Al Corey gave me 4 or more injections at the back. When I was in the recuperating room, the lady gave me a piece of paper and a pen and a ball pen. Then I tried to write my name. Oh, I was so amazed, so surprised that I can write my name better. So thank you, Dr. El Corey. Thank you all this staff here. You are so good to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In Tagalog, salamat po, salamat po, salamat po.